Hi! As you've seen, it's a nice, bright, frosty morning, and we've got some work to do in the yard. Some of the blocks are frozen together with the frost. I can feel that because I'm sitting on them. So we're going to thaw them out, and to use that we are going to use this fantastic little heater. There's no wires, no cables. It runs quite simply from a lithium battery, 14.4 volts, which is pushed into the front. Comes with its own charger, and you'll see it being charged, etc., in the second half of this video when we go inside. But out here it doesn't require any mains electricity, just works on a 14.4 volt battery. Important to note that the lithium battery will not discharge itself over the warmer months when you're not using this, so when you pick it up again the battery will still have charge. When it's fully charged it will last for 8 hours. That's a complete working day, which is fantastic. The electricity obviously is required to push the fan round to throw the heat out of the front of the heater. Starting it is simplicity itself, as long as you remember to turn the gas on, propane gas of course. Turn the gas on, and then we have a little switch on the side which starts the fan. Once you hear the fan running, that's just kicked in now, that means that it's ready to throw the flame out of the front. Set your temperature gauge. At its maximum it'll throw out about 35,000 BTUs, quite a lot of heat for a small heater. So put that on to about mid-range, and then by the side of the temperature control you have a little red button, and that's a gas button. That allows the gas to get through initially so that we can then press the ignition button at the back of the heater. And there we have it. Keep your finger on the gas button for a couple of seconds, and then when you let it out the heater is in full blast, and that really is nice and warm. So the ignition button, as I pressed, is on the back, as you can see there, and that's simply pressed with the gas button to start the flame running. So I'm going to put that in position to warm these blocks, keep a little bit away from them, and we're going to leave that running now for 10 or 20 minutes just to thaw these out so that our lads can come and move them and get the yard tidied up. Turning the heater off is simplicity itself. If you simply turn the fan button off, the heater will cut out. That's just one of many, many safety features on this heater, which you'll see at the end of the video. We brought it inside now. We've got some work to do in one of the workshops, so we're going to warm that up. And it gives me the opportunity to demonstrate that, as you saw in the first part, the battery is at the front. So when we've got it inside and we've got an electrical supply, we could, if we wanted to, plug it into the electrical supply. It's important to note that this electrical supply doesn't charge the battery. That's an independent issue, so we'll take the battery out and we put the battery on charge with the charger that's supplied, and that's dead easy. That simply slides in and out of the charger, so that can charge up while we're running this on the electricity, and that just simply pops in to its little input there. Okay, so that's dead easy. We have still got a battery in this one, so what we're going to do, we'll turn on the fan just with our little on-off switch, and as soon as we can hear that revolving, we know that it's ready to push the flame out. So we'll push our gas button down on the side, get some gas coming through, and then the ignition. And there we have it. Keep our finger on the gas button for a second or two. Take that off, and we're ready to rock. So there's the heater. So that's a great little heater. It's got everything we need for outside, in the workshop, mending the car, working on the lorries, unloading bricks. It does everything. Fantastic little heater.